This is the story of living simply in Sicily. Why don't you come along with us and sing along the way? If you had a favorite group that you used to sing with, try and imagine you can still hear them now.
So, Chef.
Yes.
What is this piece of apparatus that you're cooking on?
This is called a Convex Comal. So as you can see, we have a hotter spot, which is here. And you're going to get sort of that Maillard effect, right? And then down here in the well, we have our juices, a little bit of oil. These things can stay warm as we kind of get a nice sear up here. Right here, we've got some sweet plantain, some chorizo. We also have onion, pork, skirt steak, and assorted vegetables.
So this is a product of Mexico, perhaps?
Hey, Mexico.
Okay. And it's a stainless steel
Correct.
cooking surface.
Yep.
And we have a gas burner underneath it, is that correct?
Yes, on cinder blocks. So
Right.
the best we could come up with, but I think it works really, really well.
Yep.
You have to get elevated enough to get that flame.
Gives you
under
the
there.
right height so that you don't,
for
it
sure.
doesn't get too hot. Correct.
I need a little more height myself, but there we go.
And then we pair it with this.
With?
Don Julio.
I'm telling
Tequila, top shelf.
It is good stuff. Very good. It goes good with this particular menu that we're having tonight.
A nice little Maillard char on these veggies, nice and soft. Blister up these jalapenos and the serranos.
So we'll give you a little side view here and a little bottom view of the cooking surface underneath and the burner, which is dead center of the dome on the top.
And every once in a while, just get some of that juice. Throw it back on top of the hot spot.
Now what we really need in this particular instance is smell-o-vision.
Oh,
Because if we could smell this while we were watching it, it would be phenomenal.
great.
Because the aroma is fantastic.
It's fabulous. It really is. So this is basically what you would see for street tacos.
Right.
Because you can make so much, you make it quickly.
Typical of the street food vendors, that
Yep.
type of thing. Okay.
That for me is street food, street tacos, street anything is the way to go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Keep your fancy
I agree with
restaurant.
you. Street food is very interesting.
You know, in Singapore, they have a Michelin star chef at their food hawkers.
Really.
They have yep. I mean, he's only got one Michelin star, but because it's so good. But think
But he's
about
got
it.
one.
All they do is one thing, and they do it really good.
Yep.
So,
Well, this is outstanding.
yes, look at this.
I,
Yes, honey, brown
I
up.
can't wait to sample the fare.
Jeffrey,
Yes, sir.
what are you eating?
Well, these are handcrafted and custom-made flour tortillas with a variety of products introduced on top of them, with peppers, onions, cilantro, with chorizo, with steak.
So what kind of cuisine is this?
What kind of who?
A Mexican cuisine?
Oh, yes, definitely.
Anastasia Cucina.
It's a Chacies recipe. Delicioso.
Oh, mamma mia. Enjoy. Bon appetito.
Buon
Grazie mille.
appetito. Yeah.